Good evening, mommy. Please, may we know your name, ma'am?
I am Mrs. Faith Okonkwo.
Mrs. Faith Okonkwo.
Yes.
From where, ma'am?
I am from Mbuba. I'm working at Idato South. The HOD, Health Department is Idato South.
Okay. So, can we just know the reason why we are here today?
Okay, we are just here because of what the honorable member representing Idato North and South brought to Idato South in particular, the health equipment brought for the services in the health of Idato South.
Okay. And these are the items that we are seeing presently here.
Yes.
So, how do you feel? How do you feel today, seeing all those things?
Well, I feel so happy. I feel so overwhelmed seeing this, grand equipment. I've never for longer been in the service. I've not witnessed such. But this one is complete equipment. When you talk about health, whatever that is needed for the health of the people has been supplied today. To the extent he supplied even broom. You can imagine. Sweeping broom.
That's
so
good.
That is to tell you that our honorable member has the health of his people in mind. They said wealth, good health brings forth wealth. Because if you're healthy, you can go forth to do some other things and keep fit. But when you are not healthy, the community will suffer, the government will suffer, everyone will suffer, the family will suffer.
Thank you, ma'am. How do you see the qualities of the equipment being brought here today?
The little I've seen is of good qualities. It is not just anyhow quality. You can see the generator Sumek, the refrigerator, LG. They are of good quality. When you talk of quality in Nigeria, these are qualities that can be reckoned.
Okay, as the head of health department in Idato South, what is your promises going to give us today as regards to this equipment that have been brought to your custody? What are the promises you want to give us?
Promises. I know if somebody is being equipped to do a work, it boosts your ego. It boosts your ego. So I believe that the members of the staff of the health department that are here present, all of them, they are overwhelmed with joy. This thing will now push you to go, even if when you don't want to go to work. Seeing that you have something, you go to your office, you have your fan, you have your fridge, everything in of good standard and in place. You'll be pushed to go to work. But when you don't have such things, it will be very boring. Everything that is needed in a health center is complete, as I'm saying it here.
Okay, thank you very much. What are your wishes to our honorable member, Honorable Austine chukwukere, over his magnanimity and kind gesture to his people?
My dear, I am wishing him well. For him to remember the health of his people, it means that he's going far. He's going far. Because if the people are healthy, they will jubilate. And I wish him more aspirations as wish himself. I know he's not going to stop here. This thing he has done is just a platform for him to rise more. So I wish him well in his political career.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.